Starting trading as a beginner can be exciting, but it's crucial to proceed with caution and educate yourself thoroughly before diving in. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Educate yourself. Before you start trading, it's essential to understand the basics of financial markets, trading strategies, and risk management. There are plenty of online resources, courses, and books available to help you learn. Choose your market. Decide which financial market you want to trade in. Common options include stocks, forex, foreign exchange, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and indices. Select a reliable broker. Since you've mentioned Binance, Libertex and IQ Option are the best platforms to start trading. Find them in the description of this video. You can consider them as potential options. Ensure that the broker you choose is reputable, regulated, and offers the markets and trading instruments you're interested in. Create an account. Sign up for an account on your chosen trading platform. This typically involves providing personal information, verifying your identity, and agreeing to the platform's terms and conditions. Fund your account. Deposit funds into your trading account. Be mindful of any deposit fees and minimum deposit requirements. Start small. As a beginner, it's wise to start with a small amount of capital that you can afford to lose. This allows you to gain experience without risking significant amounts of money. Practice with a demo account. Many brokers offer demo accounts that allow you to practice trading with virtual money. Take advantage of this feature to familiarize yourself with the trading platform and test out different strategies without risking real funds. Develop a trading plan. Outline your trading goals, risk tolerance, and strategies in a trading plan. This will help you stay disciplined and avoid making impulsive decisions based on emotions. Start trading. Once you feel comfortable with the platform and have a solid trading plan in place, you can start placing trades. Remember to start with small position sizes and gradually increase as you gain experience and confidence. Monitor your trades. Keep track of your trades and monitor the market closely. Be prepared to adjust your trading strategy based on changing market conditions. Continuous learning. Trading is a continuous learning process. Stay updated on market news, trends, and trading techniques to improve your skills and stay ahead in the game. Manage risk. Always prioritize risk management to protect your capital. This includes setting stop-loss orders, diversifying your investments, and avoiding overleveraging. Remember that trading involves risks, and it's possible to lose money. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always do your own research before making any trading decisions. Start training today with Binance, Libertex, or IQ Option. Links in video description. Thank you for watching a video.